We purchased one of these cars last week in silver. It went live, I videoed it and it sold within a couple of hours. Here we go. This is a Land Rover Defender 110 XS Urban. VAT qualifying, brand new, delivery miles on a 2024. It's in Santorini Black. It's the XS, so the XS gives you huge spec. Full leather, heated and cooled seats, sunroof, air suspension, heated steering wheel, fridge, massive spec, wireless charging. But then it's got full urban conversion on the exterior, so we've got badging, fully colour-coded, wide arch kit, 22-inch wheels, lights. So it just has got a great look about it. And I think the last one, like I said, we videoed it, it went live, it was in silver, sold it to a guy in Bournemouth. He realised it was a fantastic buy. They've got the spec, but they've got the look as well. You've got your urban badging built into the front grille, badging across the bonnet. It's all colour-coded, so it just looks particularly well. The wide arch kit gives it that big stance. 22-inch wheels, again, transform the look of the car. You've got mud flaps, side steps, privacy glass, little signature graphic on the side with the urban badging. And then as we move around the rear spoiler, spare wheel cover, clear lights at the back, so it just sits and looks tremendous. And then you've got the urban badging here. Also, it's VAT qualifying, so the price includes VAT. So from the outside, it looks tremendous. Then now when we move on side, you see the spec with the XS. So start with the rear, full leather. Got to be careful, even some HSEs now only have half leather. This is an XS, full leather. So you've got all that. You've got a sliding sunroof as well, rear charging point, lots of space, all your original Land Rover mats. Meridian sound system, part of the XS, so you've got the extra speakers. On the door, you've got all your keyless entry. So walk to the car, press that, mirrors fold, car's open. You've got all your blind spot monitoring. I'll just show you that on the mirror. You can see that little logo there, so that's all your blind spot. If you're driving, something in your blind spot, that'll flash. Memory seats, Meridian speaker system. And then when you get in, I'll show you all these other extras. So there's a little button there. I'll show you the lights. Lights at the top. Heated wheel, automatic lights, automatic wipers, digital clocks as well, heated steering wheel, and then I'll show you. So there you've got ClearSight camera, opening sunroof, down from there into the centre. So you've got your centre armrest. If I pop this up, these are things which are top extras. Refrigerator in the centre. You can see that little logo there, so that's your wireless charging. Centre section, air suspension, again, so important. So this car's a 3 litre, 250 brake horsepower, and it's on air suspension. Into the main menu, you don't just get heated seats, you get cooled seats as well, as you can see. So we've got heated and we've got cooled. Then you've got your ClearSight camera up here, but then you've got your full surround camera system and 3D camera system there as well. And then you've got your things like wireless Apple CarPlay, your Android Auto, driver assistance, all your little apps, Alexa, weather. The driver assistance button is there as well, so if you see that, shows you on there, you can have it on high, you can have it on custom, or you can have it on low, so you can customise how much safety features you want on the car. I was watching something this morning actually, and it was a crash test for all different four-wheel drives. Defender came in the top 2. It was like a big accident, and it showed you the impact. They're a very safe car. They're very strong, the way they've been built. Huge boot space. Seats can drop down, and you've got an air suspension button to drop the car down if you're getting, say, a dog in the boot or you want to put your shopping in. So there we have VAT qualifying, Urban XS Defender in Santorini, live on the website, 3 years Land Rover warranty and assist. The number's on the bottom of the screen. You can call me direct. Thank you for watching.